Hi, everyone. It's your pals at Transport Topics here with another episode of What's That? The show that helps you define common, yet sometimes confusing freight industry terms. Today, in this special episode, we're going to delve into heavy duty parts, an essential concept that every industry professional should fully understand, regardless of their level of expertise. These components are the backbone of commercial transportation, built for durability and performance. Let's start with engines. Engines are the powerhouses delivering up to 600 horsepower and 2,050 pound-foot of torque, optimized for long-haul efficiency with turbocharging and emission controls. Next is transmissions. Automated manual transmissions, or AMTs, blend fuel efficiency with ease of use, optimizing gear shifts for better performance, easier mountain climbs, and lower fuel consumption. Next is axles and drivetrains. Axles and drivetrains ensure power transfer from engine and transmission to wheels, handling heavy loads with precise movement. For a smooth ride, 18-wheelers need a good suspension system. Air suspensions provide a protective lattice of shock-absorbing components, such as springs and dampers. This offers better load distribution and absorbs the energy from various road bumps and other kinetic impacts. Next, and probably the most important of all parts, is braking systems. Air brakes, ABS, and ESC ensure safety by preventing wheel lockup and maintaining control during emergencies. We'll roll out with another important component: tires. Truck tires are especially designed for durability and efficiency, handling long-distance travel and heavy loads. New tire inflation systems are ensuring truck tires last longer and get to their destination on time. Understanding these parts is crucial for informed fleet management and logistics decisions. Heavy-duty truck parts are small pieces with a massive impact. And that's your What's That of the day.